Hi, Nitish. Good evening.
Good evening.
Nitish.
One second, sir.
How are you, Nitish?
Yes, sir, I'm fine, sir.
Hi, Nitish. How are you?
Yes, sir, I'm fine, sir.
Am I audible?
Yes, sir, I can hear you, sir.
Yeah. My voice is audible. No issues, right? Like
Yes,
last
sir, yes,
time.
sir.
Clear?
Yes, sir.
So in school, what chapter going on? Nitish?
What, sir?
School, what chapter
So
going
they're
on?
currently in a holiday, sir. So I think we only stopped at respiration, sir.
Oh, respiration.
Like at the
Okay,
start.
fine. So it's fine to continue with five kingdom classification, right?
Yes, sir. So Sankar won't join today, sir. Kunguel only will join. Kunguel and Tarun.
Okay. Whom will join, right?
Yes, sir. Kunguel and Tarun.
Okay, okay. Hi, Tarun Konguvel.
They didn't join yet, sir. So I'll just call them, sir.
Yeah.
Sure, we can start. Konguel has power cut down, so he won't join for some time. Sankar also same reason, and Tarun won't join because he's out of station. So only me for now.
Okay. Then we will start, right?
Yes, sir, we can start, sir.
Yeah.
Oh,
Yes.
Konguel join, sir. Konguel join.
Yeah, yeah.
Yes.
Konguvel join. Yes. Good evening, Konguvel. Can you hear me? Okay.
Yes, sir.
So in the last class, a quick refresh, we just discussed about why need for classification. There are different kind of organisms, like you can see many here, you can see many organisms, and to study about that, to understand that, you need to classify them. And we just
Good evening,
classified
sir.
organisms. Yes, good evening. Yes. Okay, can you all hear me? We'll start, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sankat's not joining, huh?
Yeah, he has
Okay.
current something issues.
Okay.
Yeah.
So we can continue, sir.
Okay. Fine. So, like the diversity in organisms we saw, and of course we discussed about the similarities and the order, how the category level of diversity and how organisms are classified. The orders, species, you can see species, and then genus, family, order. Here I have listed. Okay, like species.
Yes, sir.
Okay, like species, genus, family, order, class, phylum, kingdom. Okay, and we defined all those things,
Yeah.
and we discussed about class, phylum, kingdom. Okay,
Yes.
so kingdom,
Yes,
phylum,
sir.
class, order, family, genus, species. So this hierarchy levels we discussed. Okay, now so today we just start with the drawbacks of. See, there are different kind of classification. One is you can say the olden earlier day classification, and now we use five kingdom classification. Maybe the modern day, you can say, since we use now, we can say the recent modern day classification. So in olden classification, only it included plants and animals. Okay, in olden classification, it included plants and animals, but
Yes.
it should be not so. Okay, so it has to be corrected. So in earlier, they are just giving the drawbacks alone. Okay, drawbacks alone. So bacteria, fungi, or plants means they know have chlorophyll, they cannot do photosynthesis. Okay, means some bacteria and fungi are heterotrophs, but still they are included in phototrophic plants. That's one drawback. And then euglena, example of unicellular organism, but it was there in plant. Okay, so like that, there are a lot of controversial characters it shown. For example, it had plants like chlorophyll, but animal like heterotrophic mode, contractile portion it possessed. Means, listen, in olden days, they were classified organisms just two groups, plants and animals. So, if it is plant, it should be photosynthetic. It should have cell wall. But other organisms which are not phototrophic, which may not have cell wall of plant, still classified under this kingdom. That was the main thing. Okay, similarly, the another example is mold, bread mold. They are actually multicellular. Okay, they do not have any differentiated structures. Okay, they do not have chlorophyll also. Okay, it means first thing is bacteria, fungi, plants in one group. Second thing is about the bread mold. Actually, it is a fungi. Bread mold is the fungi. Okay.
Yes.
Of course, it is a multicellular. Okay.
Yes, sir.
But they do not have a special structures. But still, they classified under plants. Okay. They do not. Plant means they should have root. They should have stem, leaves. Okay, or flowers. May or may not possess flowers. So, but all of the thing means all of the organisms basically here they classify. Okay,
Yeah.
under one kingdom plant. Okay, so that was the second thing. Fungi
Yes.
are multicellular, but it was there in plant. That's the main thing. Okay, drawbacks of two kingdom classification.
Yes.
Now, so they studied a lot of other characters also, and then they explained the features of five kingdom classification. So all the organisms basically classified into not just two kingdom, but based on the common properties and diverse properties it shows, they are classified into Monera, Protista, fungi, plantae, and animalia. Okay, so Monera, Protista, fungi, plantae, and animalia. And now coming to Monera. Okay, Monera means all they are unicellular and prokaryotic, mainly bacteria, also blue green bacteria and some algae, unicellular algae called microalgae. It is
Yes.
microalgae. Okay,
Yes.
so Monera consists of what? Unicellular prokaryotic organisms, mainly bacteria, and then blue green bacteria and some unicellular fungi. Okay, fine. And all the fungal cells are single cell. Okay,
Yes.
single cell. It is a single cell. Most of them are actually, in fact, Monera are single celled organisms. They do not have nucleus and other organized structures inside the cell. They do not possess any special characters. Fine. And the DNA is presented, distributed in the cell without nuclear membrane. That's very, very important. That's why they are called what? The prokaryotes. Monera or prokaryotes means they do not have nucleus. That's the main thing we should understand.
Yes.
So, prokaryotic, primitive nucleus means no well-defined nucleus. Okay. The things from which we discussed now. Can you ask some questions?
Yes. Yes.
Yes. Konguvel, are you there, Konguvel? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes, I think only you can hear properly.
Yes, I can hear you, sir. I think he's just not there.
Okay.
I think I have to do something.
Okay. 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 Though, so you tell me the drawbacks of two kingdom classification.
There's some unicellular organisms which have chlorophyll, but also have mouth something to eat like animals, so they could not be classified into the two kingdoms.
Okay. Means in those days, all plants, unicellular organisms, multicellular, non-photosynthetic and photosynthetic together. That's the first point. Okay. Prokaryotic and eukaryotic together. Second point. Okay. In simple. Okay. Fine. Next.
Next, I have to tell you. Okay, yeah, okay, nothing.
Okay. Fine. So tell me the important features of Monera.
What should I say, sir?
Important features of Monera.
No?
Monera are unicellular,
Okay. Unicellular.
prokaryotic,
Okay.
which includes
Uh,
bacteria,
yes.
blue-green algae, and microalgae. Okay, bacteria, blue-green algae, and microalgae.
Yes, sir.
And then they all, of course, unicellular, no organelle like nucleus. There is no nucleus, but DNA is present in primitive form. They just connect. Fine. So these are all the special characteristics of Monera,
Yes.
and also the devoid of membrane bound organelles. In a bacteria, internally there is no membrane bound organelle.
Yes, sir.
There are some of the organelles which are present on the cell wall above the cell membrane, like cilia, flagella, sexillae, everything.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Next, protista. See, they are unicellular and multicellular. Okay, protista, unicellular and eukaryotic.
Yes, sir. They have a nucleus.
Okay, only Monera is prokaryotic. After Monera, all other organisms are eukaryotic. Okay, only Monera is prokaryotic, and then the rest of the organisms are eukaryotic. But special aspect of protista is they are unicellular but eukaryotic. Okay, protista are unicellular eukaryotic.
Yes.
Eukaryotic means they should have what? Well-defined nucleus. If the genetic material is there, it should be well protected by, means the genetic material is just like that present within the, it is organized, genetic material organized within the nucleus. Cell, nucleus, and then DNA. Can you understand? That's the special aspect of this prokaryotes. Sorry, eukaryotes, protista.
Yes, sir.
And then examples you can see for autotroph, chlamydomonas.
Yes.
Okay, chlamydomonas. And then non photo hetero non like non-green heterotrophic organisms. Amoeba, paramecium, euglena, means they are basically the examples for protista. Okay,
So
fine.
one
See
second,
here.
so you continue. I'll just use the restroom also.
Mhm.
So you continue. So I'll just use the restroom also.
Yeah, you want to take 1 or 2 minutes break?
No, sir. I'll just use the restroom and come real quick. So just you can continue, sir.
Okay, you can rush.
I'll go
You
first.
want me to rush?
No, sir. I'll just use the restroom real quick and come. You just continue, sir.
Yeah, yeah. I'll wait for 2 minutes. You just come.
Oh, okay. Yes, sir. We can continue, sir.
We continue.
Sir.
Fine. So again, a quick rush with this protista, unicellular, eukaryotic. Eukaryotic means well-defined nucleus, and then some are autotrophic, some are heterotrophic. Okay, some are autotrophic means they can prepare their own food. Example, chlamydomonas. Some are heterotrophic, they cannot produce their food. Okay, examples are euglena, amoeba, paramecium. Of course, if they are heterotrophic, chances like they can be parasitic also, saprophytic or parasitic. Okay, fine. Next,
Yes.
here you can see the examples of these organisms. You can see the irregular shaped amoeba. Okay, amoeba. And then with the flagella, you can see chlamydomonas and the cilia. You can see all over the cell wall surface, you can see cilia. And then this one is actually called euglena. Okay, euglena. Okay, fine.
Yes, sir.
Just a pictorial representation for those organisms. Okay, so Monera, you should know. And then fungi, protista, you should know the fungi. And so before going to that, have you seen, do you know where you have seen fungi? You know what is fungi?
So it'll like grow on like wet
Mushrooms
areas
and
and all. It'll grow on strawberries
Okay,
and all. Bread,
yeah,
bread like
okay,
if it's rotten.
yeah, yeah. When a bread is contaminated, you can see kind of a greenish brownish coloration with
Soft.
spongy appearance.
contaminated
That's fungi.
sir.
Okay, food
Yes,
spoiling
sir.
organism. Okay, fine. There are food spoiling organisms. And you know, the most successful industries, bakery and breweries, bakeries and breweries, right? Beverages like alcohol, wine, they are produced by fungi, on fungi.
Yeast,
Okay, baking, brewing, fungi only use.
Baking is yeast.
Hmm?
sir.
Yes,
So they use
yes,
yeast for baking, right?
yeast.
Yeast.
And many medicines are produced. We get antibiotics, right? Antibiotics we get, right? That antibiotics also from fungi, medicines,
So your voice
antibiotics.
is breaking.
Okay, fine. So again breaking. Hello. Now,
Yes, sir.
It's okay, sir.
Nitish, am I
Yes,
audible to you?
yes, sir. Yes, sir. Now it's okay, sir. When you're
Yeah,
eating,
fine, fine. Okay. Now about fungi. See, the special aspect of fungi are unicellular. Okay, there are
sir.
unicellular. Example,
Sir, it's
yeast is
multicellular.
unicellular. Yes,
It says in the book it's multicellular.
and there are multicellular also, like mushrooms. You can see a mushroom here, and then bread mold, yeast, and then mushroom. This is
Yes, sir.
unicellular, and mushrooms and molds are multicellular. Okay, just keep that in mind.
So what
Fungi.
about that? That's
Hmm?
also
That's what from
multicellular.
penicillin. It's a multicellular which produces penicillium is the multicellular fungi. The penicillium which produces medicine, antibiotics. You get infection means viral diseases, bacterial diseases. This antibiotics will be given. Penicillin, which is produced by fungi
Um,
called the penicillium.
Penicillium.
Yeah, fungi called the penicillium. Okay, fine. So in simple, fungi consists of all are eukaryotes only. All are heterotrophs here. No phototrophic fungi is available. No autotrophic fungi is available. All are eukaryotic. All are heterotroph. Okay, eukaryotes and heterotrophs, and there are unicellular form like yeast and multicellular form mushrooms and mold. Mold and mushroom. Toadstool is a mushroom. So mushroom and mold are multicellular.
Yes.
Okay, fine. So keep that in mind. They are having good properties like bread baking and breathing. They are bad properties like giving you infection, diseases, pathogens. Okay, fine. Now coming to plants. Okay, plants,
Yes, sir.
multicellular, eukaryotic, autotrophic. The general characteristics. Okay, and they all have chlorophyll. They are they can make their own food by photosynthesis. Yeah, they are autotrophic. Okay, so general characteristics of plants. And then how plants are again classified. Plants include Talophyta. Number one, Talophyta. Number two, Bryophytes. And then number three, Pteridophytes. And number four, Gymnosperms. And number five, Angiosperms.
Yes.
Okay, there are plant are again classified. It includes what? Plant includes algae,
Five.
bryophytes, pteridophytes, gymnosperms, angiosperms. Okay, fine. So now let's see about the important characters of Talophyta. All algae. Algae are Talophytes.
Yes.
Example, Chlamydomonas volvax. Okay, fine. They are autotrophic because they contain chlorophyll. What is why they are called Talophyta? What is special about thallus?
Sir,
Thallus means what?
Taurus means like bottom, right?
No, thallus means unorganized, unorganized, multicellular body part. Okay, what is thallus? Like this, like this, it may be present. So unorganized, multicellular body part, which is called what? Thallus. Okay, and another important thing is see, it is a plant. It comes under plant, but no, it will not have root. It will not have any stem or leaf-like structure. That's why it is unorganized. Can you understand? And they are aquatic.
Water trees.
Yes,
They are
yes, sir.
aquatic. Okay, that's about Talophyta. General characters of Talophyta. Let me repeat: algae or Talophytes. Example: Chlamydomonas and volvax. They are autotrophic. Because they contain chlorophyll, and thallus body means unorganized multicellular body part, and it is cannot be differentiated into root, stem, leaf structure, and they live in water. So they are the general characteristics of thallophyte. And now bryophytes. Okay, bryophytes. Liverwoods and mosses. Okay, liverwoods and mosses are example of bryophytes. See, the special aspect of bryophytes are they are the first amphibian in plant kingdom. Okay, one common thing is about they are the first amphibians.
Yes.
Okay, amphibians in plant kingdom. Okay,
Yes.
can you understand? Fine. Of course, see, Allophyta, which we discussed
Voice
just
taking.
now, will not have root, stem, leaves. See, Thallophytes will not have root, stem, leaf. It is unorganized. But for bryophytes, all they also do not have, but they have false root-like structure called a rhizarch. Fault leaf-like structure
Yes.
can be there. Okay. For false root, false leaf-like structures present. That's the aspect of bryophytes. And then pteridophytes. Okay, pteridophytes, all ferns. Okay, ferns. See, the special aspect of this, they are true vascular plant. What do they call? They are called what?
True vascular form. Yes. Are you there, sir?
Hello,
True
sir.
vas.
The voice broke in the middle, sir.
Sir, even your screen is not visible.
Yeah, now
Now it came back.
unlike your dad. So your voice and your screen are like extremely like laggy, sir. Sir.
Hello.
Yeah, yeah.
Where is sir? I can't even hear sir.
Not is not at the over. I
Is
don't
sir
know.
teaching there?
Sir, if you think we can hear you, we can't. Sir.
Yeah, he's teaching there.
Sir, the
He's underlining things. I think.
nobody knows.
Nobody know.
Yeah, what else? Uncle also. He can play with us, but he can't join the class. Though.
Where's Tarun?
Tarun went to Madurai, I think.
Oh,
He won't join for the another. And then normally he won't join, so not get there.
yeah. Doesn't make a difference.
Even if he joins, it doesn't make a difference.
It'll like raise my hand or something. Uh,
So they like me do not care.
I think sir can't see all that. Hey, he's teaching there.
I know how many times. Just spam the chat.
Hey. Hey, stop spamming the. Appa sir's finally seeing. Look at the screenshot.
Nobody knows.
Sir, hey, look at the screenshot.
Oh, I thought he.
These buttons are loading the. He didn't even check the chat.